everyone, this is Sun. So today I got my inventory of lashes. This week I'm just going to show you all of the preparation for Black Friday. And yeah, I have to do lashes and like put their labels on and everything right now, so I'm gonna do that. I organize them into their stacks, and after I put the labels on, I gotta put it in the containers. And yeah, lots of work to do. And I was gonna take pictures or something today because I like my outfit today, but it's like very gloomy outside. See, can you tell it's like very gloomy outside? There's no sunlight. Here are all of the lashes. I just stacked them up by style. And these ones are going to be in Christmas sets. They're going to be in mystery boxes for Black Friday. By the time you see this, Black Friday's probably over. I feel like I got an extra stack in these Christmas boxes, but also I think this stack here is extra. That is not gonna go in one of the mystery boxes, so I'll probably just sell this. This is my fit today, if you were wondering. I'm sorry about my messy room. Yeah, I like my fit. And today is Friday, November 13th. Friday the 13th. I'm busy all week, so I didn't get to film this, but I got inventory last Wednesday. And here are the new palettes that I have. Blushing Bunny and Christmas palette. This one is limited time only. And I'll show you guys the inside of it. This is the Christmas Bunny palette. This is the blush palette. And this is the neutral cappuccino palette. This has one of my favorite colors. This one has my favorite colors in it. So this one is one of my favorites, along with the peach milk palette. Here's all the inventory here. This is all of the Blushing Bunny palettes. And here are the rest of the palette. This one's heavy, but here are the rest of them. I got the peach milk palette too. So I'm restocking the Castle in the Sky and the Euphoric palette too. I'm just waiting for them to come. I have lots of bags and everything in stock. You'll probably see this vlog after Black Friday, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys everything in this whole week, and hopefully it all goes well. I've been procrastinating on editing this video, but I really have to have it up by Thursday since it's a business Q&A. Today I received the inventory of these cute earrings. These are the baby candy earrings. I'm so excited. I was just organizing them just now. And yeah, it took a while to organize because I had to do the packaging and everything for it. But I love them. Time to put them on my shop, and they'll be up on Black Friday. If you're watching this, it's already up. Hopefully it's not sold out by then, so yes. Good morning everyone, it's Black Friday. So last night I started Black Friday and I woke up and we got over 5,000 in sales, 140 something orders, so super happy. I gotta get all the orders done now. I'll probably try and do like 50 today. Right now I'm just stamping these earring backings. Yes. So that's what I'm doing. Gotta prep all of these. Good morning. Today is Saturday. I'm so bad at remember to film and vlog because I just shipped out orders and I didn't vlog it. But I'll have like clips and stuff and photos. And yeah, I gotta eat breakfast and then package more orders, and I have some work to do. And yeah, hopefully I'll put up this vlog soon. I have everything laid out here so that it makes my packaging easier, and I can just grab it from here. Just finished packaging like 18 orders. This one right here is a UPS order. These are all USPS. Still got lots of orders to go. But yes, this is what it's looking like. It looks like a mess in here, but I did more packaging. These are the packages I just did. Those are all the packages there to ship out on Monday. All the orders that I'm shipping out today. Hopefully my mom and I can carry all of this. Hello everyone, I'm going to end my vlog here. My vlog has been everywhere this week. I don't know what's What is my hair doing? My vlog has been everywhere these past couple of weeks. Apologize about that. I've been busy, and also there were times where I forgot to vlog, but here's the business vlog. I'm very grateful, very thankful for all the orders that I got for Black Friday. I still have to process like 90 orders, so super happy. Gotta try and get those done, power through them, and I'm so close to breaking even. Well, I have broke even, but then I have to buy more inventory, so hopefully this business can grow. I'm trying to do my best, figure out some finance things, and figure out how I'm supposed to make money off of it. But you know, there's a lot of learning, and I can't wait to see where this takes me. And I mean, it's only been like 2 months. I started the end of September 30th, so that's October, November. It's literally 2 months today. Today is November 30th, so I'm sure it will grow really big as long as I put in a lot of hard work into it, come out with new things, and keep my engagement. I mean, the key to it all is just being consistent, being engaging, and listening to everyone. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything, please leave them in the comments. I love to have a conversation down there. If you're from my Instagram or from my TikTok, hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'm very grateful for you. You're pushing this business a lot, and I'm so happy. Yeah, give the video a thumbs up. Follow me on my Instagram, on my TikTok if you haven't already. Go check out some stuff on my shop. And that's about it. Remember to comment, like, subscribe. I have a lot of videos if you guys are looking for tutorials and things like that. I have playlists too on hair tutorials and makeup tutorials. I'll come out with videos soon on how I do my makeup with my palettes that I have. Yes. I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye-bye.